Hey guys, so first of all, I'm gonna be showing you how to, 1 minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make some deviled eggs. So you take a regular egg, you peel off all of the skin in the, shell, of course, and then you just start, oh god, I'm sorry, cameraman.
Shut it off and try again.
Okay, you just cut it up, and I'll show you guys that when you're done. Okay, guys, I guess you're just supposed to take this out and then smush it with something. I'm just going to use this knife because I'm too lazy to get up and get a fork. So you just smush this around. The other one. Okay. Sorry, I had it unfacing that. Mommy, you're smart. Thank you. I love you. Smush it around with a fork. And then this part you're going to need a spoon. Yeah, you're going to need a spoon. You have to get mayonnaise. And what you do is you open it up, of course. Take a little bit of mayonnaise, which I'm not doing it now because. So you take the mayonnaise, I guess, and mix it around with this stuff.
The yolk of the egg.
Yeah, whatever this is. I'm really bad at making stuff, guys. Now you gotta get some more mayonnaise. And mix it around all nice and yummy. I'm getting so messy. Then when that's done, you take it and you put it back in the egg. And then some back in this egg. My mom had to help me with this the whole time. And what I do is, darn, I put this thing on it. Let me make sure it's not the side that, okay.
A little bit, just
Yeah,
a little. What is it?
It's some Pakira stuff. It doesn't.
Paprika.
It doesn't even taste. It's just for decoration. And that is how you make deviled eggs. Goodbye, guys.